So once again, we're still looking for a volunteer who's going to Chicago first class. We're looking for one volunteer going to Chicago first class who unfortunately had two choices on when this plane was delayed way out of service. Choice number one was to cancel the flight completely, or choice number two was to get another plane, which is a smaller plane, therefore we lost some seats in first class. We're still looking for one volunteer in first class who wants to go on this same plane. One volunteer in first class who's going to go on this same plane for giving up your seat in first class, we'll put you on the exit row aisle and give you $500 travel credit. Once it will be $500 travel credit, we'll be going on this same, we'll be going the same plane in 21 Charlie.